Downloading Uber Eats driver app is very simple. You just need to follow this video's step-by-step guidelines. If you're on Android, open the Play Store app on your Android device. Type Uber driver in your search bar. This is the app used for both Uber rideshare and Uber Eats deliveries. Select the Uber driver app and tap on install. Once the app is installed, open the app and sign in if you already have an Uber driver account, or sign up if you are new to this app. If you are using an iPhone, go to the App Store on your phone, search the Uber driver and select the Uber driver app. Same thing do here, just download it and install the app. Once the app is downloaded, sign in if you are not new, sign up if you are new for this app. After you log in, follow the prompts to set up your account for Uber Eats delivery if you haven't done so. This app serves both Uber rideshare and both Uber Eats deliveries, and I'll see you in the next one.